Hello and welcome back to our Flash series. We're in Chapter 9 working with imported files, and this is our last video in the chapter, and we're going to be importing and animating Illustrator artwork. So let me show you how to do that. The first thing that we need to do is to make sure that we have our Halloween work open, and then I want you to go and create a brand new symbol. Well, to do that, we're just going to make sure we go Insert, New Symbol, and the new symbol is going to be called Bat. And please make sure that it is a movie clip. Let's click OK. Now, don't be concerned if it's blank, because we're going to be putting something into this, and we're going to go and File and Import to Stage. And let's go and click on that and go and find what we want. Well, what we want is the Fl0904 AI. So let's open up this Illustrator file and click Open. Right, I would just condense all of these because we're going to be needing to select each of these positions. So hold the Shift button down and click. Now then, let's make sure that we have converted layers to keyframes. There's lots of different ones, but we want the keyframes, and we're going to go and click OK. And what turns up is in fact 3 animated frames. Now we can come out of the edit mode and we'll just simply go back onto the scene. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to bring this bat in, but we want to bring it on a new layer. So let's go to New Layer and double click and call it Bat. Once you've done that, press Return and drag the bat on. Okay, now the bat is far too big at the moment and in completely the wrong place. So what we'll do is we'll deal with the size first of all. Now, if that's broken apart, close it and turn the width to 200, and that'll do the same to the height. And we've got something more manageable here. Now then, we need to get the positioning right. So with the positioning, what I'd like you to do is to turn the X to 600, press return, and the Y to 0, press return. So the bat is off stage. Now we need to animate this bat. So we don't want it to start straight away, so let's just go to the edge here. In fact, what we need to start with is actually create a motion tween. So let's do that, create motion tween. And then when we get our double arrow, let's go and start this at 20. So that's what you're looking to do there. Moving along, we'll want to get the bat to fly in and stop somewhere. So on frame 60, grab the bat and drag it so it sits on top of the writing, just above wing. And then drag to the end, and on 20, just there, 120, make the bat fly off to there. Okay, so we will have a look at it in its entirety. And we can do this several ways. We can press play, but if we were to press play, you'd see that everything else is working and the bat comes in and goes out, but you don't see it flapping its wings. So there needs to be a better way of being able to see this animation. Now there's a couple of ways. We can go to Control and Test Movie, and it'll say in Flash Browse or in Flash Professional or in Browse. Let's just go with the top one and select. And there you see it there. Now another way of doing it is to go Command and Return. And you see it this way again. And now our bat is not only moving in on its own motion tween, but it's also flapping its wings because it's a movie clip. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this chapter. Have a go at using the bat, put in some other variables if you want, and I will see you in the next chapter. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.